Passionate Book Lovers. This is author Leah Meadows, and I'm going to go on a bike ride today. It is a beautiful day, and I'm all geared up. I have my new bike gloves, butterflies, and I try to get exercise every day. Most of the time I succeed. I'm loving it out here. It's a beautiful park. The trail goes for like 37 miles. No, I'm not doing 37 miles. I'll probably do 10. But I was going to film a little bit of my bike ride for you today. I got a mountain bike about, 3 months ago, and I have been riding it quite a bit. I have been learning how to go on the trails in the forest. That's been a great experience for me because I never did that. It is challenging, and I love it because it is building some muscles that I didn't know I had. I'm learning. Today I'm riding on concrete. It is a mountain bike, but you can ride it on the concrete. So here is my mountain bike. Really comfortable. It's really lightweight. It's called a Liv, L-I-V. And I like it because I can lift it in and out of my truck. And sometimes I'll take it and ride it on a concrete trail and actually ride it to a restaurant, and I'll burn all those calories and then I'll eat those calories at a restaurant. So, but at least I'm not guilty when I eat. So I've got this new little gadget that is on my bicycle, and it holds the phone right here. And I'm going to attempt to videotape some of my ride, so you can kind of join me on a ride today. So I want to thank you all for sharing, and subscribing. And I am going to just do a few minutes of a ride. And here we go.